Hello students, how are you? Today we will continuing with chapter 2 of account. The chapter name is dual effects of transactions and types of account. In this chapter we have studied meaning of business transaction, types of business transaction, economic transaction and non-economic transaction. Economic transactions are categorized in three categories. First, cash transaction, second, credit transaction, and third one, other special transaction. Okay, and also we have to study main point of this chapter, identification of cash transaction or credit transaction with reasons. We have studied identification of transaction. First step is file. First, when cash term are given, it is known as cash transaction. Person's name is given but cash term is not given, it is known as credit transaction. Both are not given, person name is not given and cash term is not given, so it is cash transaction. Paid or received words is given, it is known also cash transaction. And check word is given, so it is known as also cash transaction. If you will ask in question, okay, identification of transaction and give reason, so you will write full reason by file method. Cash term is given, so it is cash transaction. Person name is given but cash term is not given, you will write full reason. Okay, so I have understood, okay, you can understood properly. Okay, now today we will study types of account. Types of account. Now we will study types of account by tabular form. Types of account will be categorized in two types. First, personal account, and second category, impersonal account. Types of accounts are categorized in two types, personal account and impersonal account. Impersonal accounts are also categorized in two types. Which two types? Real account and nominal account. But we will say that main three types of account. Which three types? We will review impersonal account in this chart. So first is personal account, second is real accounts, and third is nominal accounts. Okay. Now, which accounts will included in personal account? So any live person or natural person. Any name of natural person are included in which type of account? Personal account. Okay. If you will ask Nilesh by account, which type of account? So you will say that it is known as personal account because Nilesh Bhai is a natural person. Okay. Second, accounts will be written in short form as this. Okay. A oblique account, owner's account. Owner has how many type of account? So owner has two type of account. First of capital account and second drawings account. You have studied already terminology of account in first chapter. Now think, what is meaning of capital and what is meaning of drawing? Meaning of capital is an investment made by the owner in the business. Investment made by the owner in the business. It is known as capital. Okay. It's another meaning cash, goods or assets brought in the business by the owner. It is known as capital. We have already studied this point in first chapter. Okay. What is meaning of drawings? Cash, goods or assets withdrawn from the owner for his personal use. Cash, goods or assets withdrawn from the owner for his personal use from the business, it is known as drawings. Means drawings is opposite of capital. Cash, goods or assets brought in the business, it is known as capital. Cash, goods or assets withdrawn by the owner. So owner has two accounts. First of capital account, second is drawing account. Okay. Now any firm any name of firm, it is known as personal account. The example is any firm. You will think any name of shop. Okay. Like Mahalakshmi Stationery Mart, it is firm. Okay. So it is known as personal account. Okay. Sri Lakshmi Marble, it is known as including firm. So it is known as personal accounts. Okay. You will also think any name of the shop, all the name of the shops are included in personal accounts. Okay. Why it is personal account? I will clarify after write of 4 type of this name. Now, any name of company. You should think any name of company. Yes, Tata Limited, Reliance Limited, okay, Samsung Limited, Apple iPhone Limited. All company are included in personal account. Okay. Any bank, any name of the bank or any bank are also included in personal accounts. I think you have remembered any name of bank. State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, ICICI, Allahabad Bank, Central Bank of India. All type of bank are included in which account? Personal account. Okay. If you have asked, okay, State Bank of India, so what your answer? So your answer will be personal account. Why personal account? Reason I have not write here, but I will write here sometime. Now, any firm clear, any company clear, any bank, okay. Now, any institute, okay, any institute like Jalaram Mandir Seva Shram Trust, okay, any school, any university, all are included in any institute, okay. So it is all included in personal account. Why it is included in personal account? So all are artificial any firm, any company, any bank and any institute is recognized by as per law is artificial person, okay. It is person, but which person? Natural? No, it is artificial person because government has recognized of this institute or bank or company or firm as artificial person, okay. So this chart we will know 6 items are included in personal account. You will be remembered, okay. Which 6 type of account are included in personal account? Natural person means any name of person are included in personal account. First, natural person. Second, owner's account. Third, any firm. Fourth, any company. Fifth, any bank. Sixth, any institute, okay. If you will ask Nilesh Bhai account, so what you will write in against Nilesh Bhai account? So you will write personal account. If ask reason, you will write in against of Nilesh Bhai account natural person, because Nilesh Bhai is natural person, so it is included in personal account, okay. If any firm name is given, Okay. If given Bharat Cycle Stores account, so you will write which account? Personal account. Okay. And reason is artificial person. Okay. If you ask Bank of Baroda, you will write which account? Personal account. And what reason will you give? Artificial person. Okay, clear? 6 type of account are included in personal account. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay. Now, 2 categories of types of account, but we will remember main 3 type of account: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Okay. Now, which account are included in real account? Now I will repeat which type of account are included in personal account: natural person, owner's account, owner is to account, capital account, and balance account. Any firm, any company, any bank, and any entity are also included in personal account. Okay. If you will ask Sardar Patel University account, if you will ask what is type of Sardar Patel University account, okay, it is known as name of account. We will write types of account, and third column we will write reason. Okay. Sardar Patel University is included in which type of account? Personal, real, or nominal. So it is included in personal account. What reason we will write here? We will write here Sardar Patel University is artificial person. So answer is short: artificial person. So it is known as personal account. We have write reason as well as type of account. Okay. This classification will ask in your exam as 3 marks. Any 6 accounts are given in the question, and you will write is against or personal account, or real account, or nominal account. Okay, everyone. Tomorrow we will study types of impersonal account. Impersonal account are categorized in first real account and second nominal account. Which are the account are included in real account, and which are the account are included in nominal account? That is study in we will next video. Okay, thank you and take care.